Python is the most in-demand programming language in the world. It is used in data science, automation, web development, AI, and more. But learning Python and becoming job-ready with Python are two different things. Here is how to bridge that gap. Start with the fundamentals. Variables, loops, functions, and data structures are your foundation. Do not rush this stage. Once your fundamentals are solid, pick a direction. Python for data analysis uses pandas, NumPy, and matplotlib. Python for automation uses scripting, file handling, and APIs. Python for web development uses frameworks like Django or Flask. Python for AI and machine learning uses scikit-learn, TensorFlow, or PyTorch. Choose one direction and go deep. Build real projects in that direction. Do not just complete tutorials. Tutorials teach you syntax. Projects teach you problem solving. Push all your work to GitHub. Add clear documentation to every project. Learn to read error messages and debug your own code. This skill separates beginners from job-ready developers. Practice writing clean, readable code. Employers read your code in interviews. Style and clarity matter. With 6 months of consistent practice and a solid project portfolio, you are job-ready. Python opens more doors than almost any other technical skill today.